Are you looking for best PC cases? Choosing the right PC case is crucial for building a high-performance, aesthetically pleasing, and reliable computer. From airflow optimization to cable management and compatibility with various hardware components, a PC case directly impacts your system's thermal performance, ease of assembly, and overall user experience. Product 1. Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L Micro ATX Tower. The Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L is a budget-friendly micro ATX case that delivers solid performance for its price. Its standout features include magnetic dust filters, a modular I/O panel, and a transparent acrylic side panel for showcasing your components. The case supports up to 5 fans and a 240mm liquid cooler, making it versatile for various cooling configurations. Despite its compact size, it can accommodate GPUs up to 360mm and CPU coolers up to 159mm, offering surprising flexibility for a mini tower design. In testing, the Q300L excelled in airflight thanks to its perforated design, but its acrylic side panel scratches easily and lacks the premium feel of tempered glass. The modular I/O panel is a thoughtful addition, allowing users to customize the panel's position based on their setup. However, table management is somewhat challenging due to the limited space behind the motherboard tray. This case is best suited for budget-conscious gamers or office users who want a compact yet capable build. Product number NZXT H5 Flow 2024 Compact ATX Mid-Tower PC. The NZXT H5 Flow is a sleek, compact mid-tower case designed for high airflow and efficient cooling. It features a perforated PSU shroud for optimal GPU cooling, support for up to a 360mm radiator, and pre-installed 120mm fans for out-of-the-box performance. The tempered glass side panel adds a premium aesthetic, while a well-thought-out cable management system ensures a clean build. This case is compatible with micro ATX and ATX motherboards, making it versatile for mainstream and gaming builds. During our tests, the H5 Flow impressed with its cooling efficiency, particularly for GPUs, thanks to its perforated PSU shroud. The cable management system is intuitive, with wide channels and straps that make routing cables a breeze. However, the case could benefit from additional USB 3.0 ports on the front panel. Overall, the H5 Flow is a strong contender for gamers and enthusiasts who prioritize cooling and aesthetics. Product 3. Corsair 3500X ARGB Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. The Corsair 3500X ARGB is a premium mid-tower case that combines striking aesthetics with robust cooling performance. Its wraparound tempered glass panels provide a panoramic view of your components, while the 3 pre-installed ARGB fans offer vibrant lighting and efficient cooling. The case supports up to 10 fans and is compatible with reverse connection motherboards, making it future-proof for advanced builds. With support for mini ITX to eATX motherboards, it offers excellent versatility. The 3500X performed exceptionally well in our thermal tests, maintaining low temperatures even under heavy loads. The pre-installed ARGB fans are easy to control via a 5-volt ARGB header, adding convenience for users who enjoy customizable lighting. However, the case's higher price point and slightly heavier weight may deter budget-conscious or portability-focused users. This case is ideal for enthusiasts who want a visually stunning and high-performance build. Product 4. Musex PC Case ATX 6 PWN ARGB Fans Pre-Installed. The Musex K2 is a mid-tower case that offers a balance of aesthetics, performance, and value. It comes pre-installed with 6 PWM ARGB fans, ensuring excellent cooling and lighting effects. The 270-degree dual-tempered glass panels provide a wide view of your components, while the spacious interior supports GPUs up to 420mm and CPU coolers up to 178mm. The case also features a Type-C port for modern connectivity. In our tests, the K2 stood out for its cooling performance and ease of installation. The pre-installed fans are quiet yet effective, and the tempered glass panels add a premium touch. However, the case's build quality is slightly less robust than some competitors, and the lack of additional storage mounting options may be a drawback for users with extensive storage needs. This case is a great choice for gamers who want a visually striking build without breaking the bank. Product number F600 PC case. Pre-installed 6 PWM RGB fan. The Feufgen F600 is a mid-tower case with a modern 270 degrees panoramic tempered glass design. It comes pre-installed with 6 ARGB PWM fans and supports up to 10 fans for maximum cooling potential. The case is compatible with ATX, Micro ATX, and ITX motherboards and offers ample space for GPUs up to 400mm and CPU coolers up to 170mm. Its tool-free design makes it easy to assemble and maintain. The F600 delivered excellent cooling performance in our tests, with its pre-installed fans providing strong airflow. The panoramic glass design enhances the visual appeal, but the case's heavier weight and limited front I/O options may be less appealing to some users. This case is well-suited for gamers and enthusiasts who want a high-performance, visually stunning build with plenty of cooling options.